Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption on guitar. First, let's get your instrument ready. Make sure your guitar is perfectly tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. This foundational step ensures all your notes sound correct and harmonious. Next, we will review some essential open chords. These include G major, C major, D major, and E minor, which are crucial for many popular themes. Finally, we will practice a few basic strumming patterns to help you develop a steady rhythm and smooth transitions between chords. Now, let's dive into the core chords you will need. The G, C, D, and E minor chords are staples in many Red Dead Redemption themes. Focus on pressing down firmly to get each note to ring out clearly without buzzing. Practice transitioning between these four chords slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Once comfortable, try a basic fingerpicking pattern. Use your thumb for the bass strings and your index and middle fingers for the higher strings, creating a beautiful, arpeggiated sound. Let's try playing a recognizable melody from the game. Many themes feature simple, memorable lines on the higher strings. For example, you can often find the main melody using just the G, B, and high E strings. Start by picking individual notes slowly, ensuring accuracy. Once you have the melody down, try adding a single bass note with your thumb on the lower strings. This creates a fuller sound, mimicking the game's atmospheric music and bringing the piece to life. Consistent practice is key to mastering any song. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice daily. Even short sessions add up significantly. Incorporate a metronome into your routine to develop precise timing and a steady rhythm, which is crucial for musicality. As you progress, feel free to explore the vast resources available online. Many talented musicians share tutorials for more complex Red Dead Redemption arrangements, offering new challenges and expanding your repertoire. Keep playing and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.